Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be talking to you about the best way to start making money online in 2019. This is great if you want to start a side income or replace your job income. It's a great method that I've been using for a number of months now and has proven to be quite profitable for me. So I'm really excited to introduce you guys to this product here that I've been using and the way I've been building up my income online. So without further ado, here it is here. It's called Builderall. So if you haven't heard about it, it's an all-in-one marketing platform for businesses or entrepreneurs that basically gives them all the tools they need to build a business online, and that includes many things like your email lists, your website, webinars, all sorts of things. It's really comprehensive and it's a great tool to use for building any business online. So if you want to sell products or sell services, this is great. You can collect all your emails, do all your online marketing and all your online sales. It's a really great tool. Um, but what it also has is a very lucrative affiliate program, which is what I've been using to. I use Builderall in my own business, but I also promote the affiliate. I promote the product as an affiliate, and it is really working out great for me. So that's what I want to talk about today. So going here to the earnings calculator. Basically, the Builderall affiliate program is based on recurring commissions. So it's similar to ClickFunnels if you've heard of ClickFunnels. And once you get a person signed up for the program, which gets you about $49, you'll also get 30% of that amount in the next few months as recurring revenue. Um, Builderall also has a two-tier commission system, which means that you also, on top of that recurring commission, you get a further 30% commission from anything earned by the people who signed up under your lead. So it's really great. The idea basically to make money with Builderall is pretty simple, really. You just have to you get access to your affiliate links that you promote, and each time someone signs up via your link, you get a commission. Um, and Builderall provides a number of ready-made sales funnels to help you promote Builderall, and you can also build a custom funnel in the system yourself if you like. So it's really great. And if we look at this earnings calculator here, let's just go with the example. So say you sell 100 licenses in a year, which I'm sure you could easily do. You can see here that you're going to make immediate commission of just under 5 grand, and your monthly income will be just under $1,500 per month. Of that, say you get 30 people uh, who sign up to your affiliate link, and of those 30 people, 5 of them become affiliates. 5 of your leads become affiliates. Then your second tier clients, you've got 150. That's the 5 times 30 there. Oh, five. So 5 sales from each of these 30. And your monthly income all of a sudden jumps up to $3,700, which is quite, that's really easy to achieve if you've got your website or you've got a blog and you can promote this stuff. I mean, this is one of the best affiliate programs I've come across, and it's really great. So, um, basically, they have a lot of push on selling through affiliates, which is really great. As you can see here, Builderall Business, they give you all the tools you need. A 30-day business builder, as well as a daily task, which is great. So you can have your business up and running within 30 days, and you can make sure you're taking action every day in order to make those sales. They also have the $1 million passive income challenge, so the goal basically of that challenge is to help 1,000 people earn $1,000 in passive income in a month. So after signing up, you get access to a ready-made challenge funnel as well as training on traffic generation. So whether that be through um, your website, WordPress, Instagram, YouTube, whatever you decide to use. Um, and it includes also paid traffic strategies as well as free traffic methods. So that's really worked out for me quite well, and I suggest you look into that if you're going to sign up with Builderall and take them on board as an affiliate. So yeah, it's a really great product. I will leave a link in the description below to sign up for a free trial. You get 7 days free trial. If you don't like it, you can cancel it. Have a go. Have a browse around all these different features to make a website. Um, it's really comprehensive, guys, and it's a really great tool. As you can see here, they've just got everything you need to build a business. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will